Welcome back, guys. Your regular cook here. So excited. I have for you a garlic butter shrimp. I'm gonna serve it with a white butter sauce and some fresh veg. Stay tuned. So these are the ingredients. So guys, may I use this size shrimp, which is 16-20. It means between 16 and 20 make 1 pound. So I'm gonna peel them. You can peel them anywhere you want, either left to right or right to left, any way you feel comfortable. Now, I butterfly the shrimp, so just slit it down the middle. Prefer to use a small knife. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put them onto a tray and season them with salt and pepper. So if you cook the shrimp, now I'm going to add the garlic butter. So I'll just put some garlic butter on top of them. This is how they look. And then now I'm gonna just pop them into my toaster oven. Yeah, I already preheated to 450. So after a few minutes in the oven, the shrimp is ready. Oh, you know, so they're ready. They're slightly translucid in the middle, as you can see. So yeah, they're just ready for plate. As you can see, them look really good. Translucid down the middle, ready to plate. My garlic shrimp ready for plate now. I have my white butter sauce, my veg, and my shrimp. So I'm going to plate up. Yummy.